Oosh, ato Maori e wānau. So I'm just on my hikoi. Like you to me, you got your Nike Air Jordans. I got my Converse Chucks. Oosh. Okay, wānau, hānau, however you want to say it, from whichever region you're from. Today's kupu, or this morning's place name, is Kaukapakapa. That's Kaukapakapa. Alright, it's not Kaukapakapa. There's no O's in there. There's no W in there. It's not Kaukap. Okay, it's Kaukapakapa. I suppose the hardest sort of part in that place name is the AU and saying that together. Okay, if you say it individually, it's A and U. Alright, all your vowels in that place name are all short. There's no macrons, there's no stressed vowels, so they're all short. So A, E, I, O, U. Alright, so pronouncing the A and the U together, easiest way to do that, if you can say the word, or if you can say toes, like your big toe, little toe, alright, that's probably the easiest way to pronounce the first part of your place name. Ko. Alright, just like saying toe. Ooh, you got crusty toes. Ooh, that's a crusty looking toe. Yep, very similar. Similar sound. Toe, ko. Alright, next part. Kapakapa. Well, if you take one of those kappa and you know how to say the word supper, let's replace the S with a K. And you've got kappa. And you say that twice. Kappa, kappa. So it's like saying supper twice. Supper, supper. Just replace it with a K. Alright? This time you can say the letter K, because it's actually in the word, not like in whānau. Alright, so repeat after me. Ko, kapa, kapa. Alright, just remember, toe, supper, supper. Alright, again. Ko, kapa, kapa. Ko, kapa, kapa. Ko, kapa, kapa. Oh my gosh, that was easy. Thrive up.